I've been given the simple task of summarizing in the next few minutes the rich interaction that we had in the last 2 days. So I have chosen 3 takeaways that I wanted to share with you that I think were common to most of the conversations through our speakers, within the contribution on our communities, or during our networking moment. The first one is we have a common goal. I'll be more specific. The second one is China is already paving the way for sustainable manufacturing. And the third one is 3D Experience Platform is the enabling platform for driving that transformation. On the first one, it appears as being very clear that we do have a common goal. We have common responsibility for the planet or for the people living in that planet. Sustainability is definitely the driving force for the future of our planet and our society. And most of the companies that we have been seeing in the last few days have already embarked into that journey, either because the consumers are demanding it or because the employees are demanding it. If I stay for 1 second on the employees, the student yesterday, they gave us a lesson. You know what? No one of us will be able to hire them if we don't give them the proper purpose. And you've seen the level of expectation that they have raised. If I say on purpose, that word is important. Sustainability, it's not a journey, it is a purpose. It is spreading across the entire ecosystem. It has impact down to your business model. And manufacturing is at the core of it. And that is valid in about every industry, every domain, and there is no exception. So that was my first takeaway, a common goal. My second takeaway is China is paving the way and has already started that transformation. It appears to be very clear to me in the last few days that digital transformation, it's not digitalization. It requires far more than that. It requires to be able to interpret the knowledge and the know-how in different manner. It requires to be able to plan for the future in a more inclusive and collaborative manner. We believe that the virtual world, connected with the real world, is the enabling power to make this happen. Chinese industrial players have already embarked into that journey. You've seen many demonstrations of the level of innovation that has been brought through. The presentation this morning from FAW in that perspective was mind-blowing. They did show us how they're using the virtual world to extend and improve the real world. Bob Parker made an impressive presentation. He did show us, he did not only size the importance of this transformation, but he also did scale the potential impact. So what I can remember from his presentation is globally he did highlight that if we want to succeed on the long run, everywhere, while mastering the economies of intelligence, we need to build a sustainable and resilient system. And to do that, you need a digital transformation platform. That seems to be a no-brainer. So that is the second takeaway. Third takeaway, the 3D Experience Platform is the enabling platform to drive this transformation. It will help to drive the workforce of the future, to do global optimizations, and of course, to orchestrate the value network. How? It is inclusive by design, which allows anyone throughout the ecosystem to provide its contribution at any time. Knowledge and know-how is built in, both its representation as well as its capitalization. And this is allowing everyone in the workforce of the future to be capable at any time in the right context to deliver the maximum potential contribution while leveraging the enterprise knowledge and the enterprise experience. And by the way, to do it with the proper pride. With data services and AI, every piece of intellectual property, model, document, event, is going to be transformed into levers for competitivity. It will enable self-learned, continuous optimized scenario either for global operation or for value network orchestration. With the marketplace and the continuous inclusive collaboration, the transformation from supply chain to value network is now happening. It's a place where every single player, every single actor can reinvent and redefine the boundaries of the services and of their contribution to the global system. So this is the third takeaway. Personally, I absolutely enjoyed the richness of our interactions in the last few days. That has been revealed, at least partially, in our manufacturing at the edge of experience communities. Yesterday, we started the inclusive interaction with our speakers by asking questions. By the way, stay connected because you will see some more answers coming. You've discovered in the communities how the students have planned for us a roadmap for the future, and they've set expectations. You've shared some of your ideas for sustainable manufacturing, and we have started to size together on the communities these opportunities. So definitely, we want to maintain and nurture this exchange and this relationship, of course in the real life, but as well in the communities. Please stay connected, stay tuned, continue to interact. We will definitely continue to provide some content in the next few months and years. Thank you again very much for contributing to this event.